Hey, what's up, everybody? Um, I've been wanting to do cured egg yolks, and yep, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do cured egg yolks, and yeah, this is what you're going to need: 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 3/4 cup of salt. I've got 5 eggs here. We're just going to separate the yolks when we need them. I've got about a tablespoon of coriander seed and about a tablespoon of mustard seed. They say it picks up the flavor, so I figured let me try that. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to crush these up in a mortar and pestle. For me, I'm just going to put it in there. All right, so now, okay, so now we're gonna put that stuff from the mortar and pestle in there. We're gonna put the sugar, and we're gonna put the salt. We're gonna mix that up. All right. Now we're going to take half that mixture. We're going to put it in a container. Okay. We're going to take an egg, and we're just going to put an impression. But we don't want to, we want to make sure that there's salt and stuff on the bottom, because the yolk has to be totally covered. Now I'm gonna take the yolk, then we're going to put it in that depression. Now we're gonna cover the rest of the yolk with, I think I have a broken yolk here. Let's see how that comes out. I've got some left. I think I'm gonna save that in case I have to add anything. So this is going to have to go for about 7 days. Now I'm going to cover it. We're going to put it in the fridge and just let it sit. And that's it. We're just going to let that go for about 7 days. Then we're going to take it out. We're going to rinse it off, and we're going to put it in a dehydrator for about 2 hours.
1 week later.
Okay, so it's been about 7 days. I actually got involved in a lot of things, and I was only able to check this one time. Let's check it out and see what we got here. Okay. There's one. All right. So that's what we have. So we got to rinse these off. I'm just gonna get them out of the salt. And then we're going to dry them in a dehydrator for a couple hours. Now I remember one of them, and I think it might be this one, had the yolk had broke. Doesn't look too bad. I love the smell of that coriander that we used. And that's it. Yeah, so that one yolk that broke a little bit. Oh, this might have been the one. So, all right, we'll set this aside and we'll rinse. Obviously, this is garbage. I don't think you can reuse it for anything. Okay, so we're going to gently rinse the salt off. And I'm just lightly, now this is cold water, and I'm just lightly running my fingers over it. You can feel that it's a little, you know, a little firm. So that's it for that. Okay, so I have it on my food dehydrator tray. I'm going to cover it and start it. This is only going to go for about 2 hours, and then we'll check it out. Okay. So we've been going about 2 hours, and I do believe they are done. And they have a nice firm texture the way they're supposed to. Okay. So there you have it. I'm just gonna cut a little piece off and taste it. Take a little piece. That's really good. There's the saltiness that it retains, slight yolky flavor, firm. Oh, I can't wait to like grate this on like a salad or on my soup or something. This is definitely going to be something that I'm going to do on a regular basis, and I'm going to experiment with different spices to get the different flavors. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you again soon.